but it looks like a girl riding another girl with a horse mask on.
Oh, ja, kurva! Kurva! Alright, we're just getting all the fluids. Oil filter change. Gear bag oil, diff oil. Check the oil after a few heat cycles. The trusty magnet. See me pulling fucking clumps out of this thing. We are fucking clean, sir.
Give you a forever to drink it.
I would nearly fucking put it back in. It's fucking. It's nice, like. Oh, oh. We have bits on the magnet.
No, that could be just from stuff falling out of the sky.
Damn chemtrails!
Or it could be metals into something before we even put it on, like.
Good band. Good band.
You know, if you just tell yourself, just absolute denial.
Yeah, yep. In fact, why are we even doing this? Why are we even looking? That's spent. The whole car's mint. That's it. Yep. Just ignore it. Say nothing. Right. Tap up the differential. Oh, oh. So then that is fresh oil filter. The car's been through a couple of heat cycles, so drain the oil out. It's fresh oil. So fresh oil filter. This oil does until we're done testing and tuning, and we'll do another oil change. That'll be her ready for some action. Gearbox oil, topped off, diff oil, drained, refilled. There's a wee bit of stuff in the diff, but I think it was just a bit of weld. It broke off, didn't look like anything major. Never had any issues, never opened up or anything, so diff's still good. So let's just check the oil level. We'll fire her up, let her bleed off. Got the new Mishimoto in, so we'll get her blade. And I mean, realistically it could drive out of here right now. It's obviously can't hit boost. No boost hoses. We still haven't made the exhaust. That's all we're waiting on now. It's just the stainless to make the exhaust and the boost hoses. More bits of that puzzle showed up. Very near to there of everything now. There we go. New wastegate. It's not going to focus on that 8 psi spring. Manual push controller. There's a wastegate that's in there. It's a bit unknown. the springs that's in it doesn't match to any colour chart we can find. It's also been used before. Got it off a mate of mine used to have a turbo IS, so we'll just start fresh. We'll know exactly what's in it and all that kind of caper. So let's get the old one out. So there's the old wastegate out. We'll get the new one all set up. Should be a 14 psi spring in there at the minute, so we'll get that out. We'll get the 8 psi in. And then we'll get the ports all sorted. Get her in, start running the vacuum line, figure out where we're going to put the manual boost controller. That's a new wastegate in with the 8 psi spring. Playing about a wee bit of material we have for screamers, just kind of seeing where everything's going to go and where everything's going to land. Alright, let's write the boost controller now.
Maybe. Fucking scrapper.
It's just fucking outside. The sunshine for the first time in over a year.
It's been 84
It's been 84 years. We finally have all the boost piping. It's just made up of a universal boost pipe kit by Jesus. Oh, that big sexy bastard over there. A couple of universal bands and whatnot. Cut it up, make it work. Just need to chop that. Put a silencer on that. That'll do as the now. Final stages. I have to check out the next one. Big transformation coming. Oh, things are getting Eastern European up in here, boy. Yeah. See, he's getting the fucking copyright strike for this music.
You know what's good whenever there's a Volvo.
Oh, yeah.
There's an AK-47,
Oh,
and I don't know if you can zoom in, but it looks like a girl riding another girl with a horse mask on.
oh, it won't focus on it. Alright. Shout out to that artist, whoever the fuck you are. Oh, ja, kurwa! Kurwa!
Ramenstein.
So yeah, final stages. Next one should be a fucking banger because some stuff's happening. Some things. Big hint. Bam! That's all you get.